Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to make labels. So if you want to make labels in Microsoft Word, you can go to mailing steps and then you can click labels on create. It will be show for envelopes and labels, and here you can click on the labels tab. You can tap labels like in here for the first lines. I will set into example. First two again, so you can type example blah blah blah, and the third I will type word like this. If you don't, you can go to postage properties in here. It will be move into the online. You can move into the Microsoft Word web, or you can click on option. In this option, you can set for the product number. You can set vendors like in here as default to be set into Microsoft, and you can set for the number like in here I will set into A4 paper size with landscape. Click OK. Now this is for the preview, and you also can set by single labels or full page. After it, you can click print buttons to print the labels on the paper. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to make labels. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.